What's up guys, hope you are doing well there, and welcome to the channel 𝖊𝖐𝖕𝖑𝖙, where you can find tech and educational related stuff. So just check out my playlist in the channel, and if you are interested, hit the red subscribe button down there and click the bell icon for more information. So today I will quickly unbox this budget smartphone, which is Redmi 9. This is the brand new Redmi 9 phone with a box mentioning that this has all the Google Play services. So you may know recently Huawei and Xiaomi smartphone brands are affected by USA policies. So this statement in the box helps buyers to make a quick decision. This is the topmost box with user manual, SIM ejector tool, warranty card and soft back cover of the phone. This is the soft case, soft back cover for the phone. This is pretty good, but we cannot expect a good protection for the phone, so you better search for a hard case for this phone. And this is the Redmi 9 phone in sunset purple color. And I can see 4 cameras. That's really amazing for the price. But I will show you more about these cameras and camera settings in the later video. Here we have the USB Type-C charging cable. It is pretty good. And this one is the power brick with round pins. It is 10-watt power brick, and I guess it will take more than 1 hour to get 100% recharge of the phone. So that is the end of the quick unboxing of Redmi 9 smartphone. I will show you more about notification panels and settings with the next video tomorrow.